I will show you how to make a cute cozy mittens for 0 to 3 months. I am using 2.5 millimeter and 3 pipe. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, we have to make chain 4 and insert in the last one and make a slip stitch. Then chain 1, 2, 3 and make 9 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. With the first chain 3 we will have 10 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and last one is my 9. And this one, the 3 chain, is my 10th double crochet. So in the third one I will make a slip stitch. This is my first row. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and make 2 double crochet in every stitch. 2 double crochet in every stitch all across. One, and this one is my second. 1 and 2. So make it till to the end. Now I finished my third row, so I will make 2 double crochet and make 1 double crochet in every stitch till to the end. 1 double crochet in every stitch. Now no decreasing and no increasing. We will do 1 double crochet in every stitch. So make, this is my first, second, third and fourth one, make 7 rows including this 3, this 4 and make 7 rows. I will meet you there. Completed my 7th row. Now I will do chain 1, chain 2 sorry, and skip 1. In the third one I will make half double crochet for 2 times. Now skip 1, sorry, chain 1 and skip 1, and in the second I will do half double crochet in 2 stitches. Chain 1, skip 1, in the second make half double crochet in 2 stitches. Again Now do it till to the end. Now make chain 2 and half double crochet in every stitch. In every stitch, half double crochet till to the end. Now make chain 2 and half double crochet in every stitch. In every stitch, half double crochet till to the end. Now I finished this row, and I will make chain 1 and skip 2. In the third I will make 5 double crochet, 3, 2 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now skip 2, and in the third one make single crochet. Again skip 2, in the third one make 5 double crochet. Four, and this one is my fifth. Skip 2, in the third make single crochet and do it till to the end. Now I finished my little cute mitten. See, I done 5 double crochet, single crochet and 5 double crochet in all around, and now make a strap for a cute baby mitten. So this is my 0 to 3 months baby mitten. I hope you will like it. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.